folks, thanks for coming and watching this video. My name is Mary. I'd like to show you this Rockwood. It's an A213, so let's look inside. This Rockwood trailer has everything that you need in an amazing camping trailer. The design of these units is really ingenious. They fall down and pack away with the average person in mind. So if you're not really strong, this trailer is still easy for you to put up and take down. This trailer has a split twin bed sleeping area, which makes it easy for you to get out and go to the bathroom if you need to in the middle of the night. And there is a bathroom in this unit. It folds away easily when not in use. The placement of the kitchen sink and stovetop and refrigerator are all easily accessible. On the outside, you have extra storage for wood and folding chairs that you might want to bring along. There is also an outside shower. Rockwood gives you the option of an outdoor grill and a table that mounts onto the outside of this trailer. So again, this is Mary, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please give me a call, 406-850-4590.